aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Hello, champion. Welcome back to our literacy lesson. Today we are going to be having fun playing the What's in the Box game. Are you ready to play with me? Alright, let's go. What's in the box? What's in the box? Shake, 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 shake. What's in the box? Close your eyes. Open. Guess what I found? Well done. Again. Bravo. Well done. Let's go again. What's in the box? What's in the box? Shake, 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 shake. What's in the box? Close your eyes. Open. Here's what I found. Letter sound. Also found a pencil. Pencil. Well done. Here you go. Ready? Let's go. What's in the box? What's in the box? Shake, 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 shake. What's in the box? Close your eyes. Open! Guess what I found? Ink. 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 Well done. That was super fun. Well done. Alright, so today I have a worksheet for us. It's right here on the board. I've got loads of objects on the board. So I'm moving over to the box. Let's play the game. Let's go. Alright, here on the board we have ink, pot, net, a peg, igloo, and nose. Well done. And I have my letter sounds on the table. This is what we're going to do. We're going to help all the objects find their beginning letter sound. Are you ready? Good. The first one is what? Ink. Put on your thinking hat. Ink. Ink. I got it. The beginning sound for ink is what? Ink. So let's go to the table. Mr. E, Mr. E, where are you? Here you are, here you are. How do you do? All right, let's go over to ink. Ink. Well done. Let's move on. The next object is pot. Pot. I hope you're thinking pot. The beginning sound for pot is, could it be t? No. Pot. Oh yes. Let's go over to the table. Sound. Sound. Where are you? Here you are. Here you are. How do you do? Let's go back to Mr. Pot. Here you go. Pot. Pot. Bravo. Well done. Next is, what do you think this is? It looks like a ball. Oh no, I think it's a net. 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 The beginning sound for net is net. Over to the table. Letter N. Letter N. Where are you? Here you are. Here you are. How do you do? All right, net. Here you go. Net. Net. Well done. Let's move on. Next on the board is peg. Peg. The beginning sound for peg is peg. Peg. Over to the table. Where is P? Could it be this? I don't think so. Or this letter? No. I think it's right here. Alright, so let's go. Peg. Peg. Well done. Let's move on. Next is igloo. Igloo. And the beginning sound for igloo is igloo. Igloo. Over to the table. Where are you? Oh, here you are. Igloo. Let's go to the board. Here you are. Igloo. Well done. You're doing so well. Finally, it's nose. Nose. And the beginning sound for nose is nose. Letter N. Letter N. Where are you? Right here. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? All right, nose. Here you go. Nose. Nose. Okay, I'm going to invite Miss Lou to tell us something in French. Come on, Miss Lou.
Allô, bonjour les champions, c'est Mademoiselle Lou ce matin. Je suis là pour la révision des lettres de la leçon précédente. Je vois des lettres ici, ça c'est quelle des lettres ça? La lettre, je pense que c'est la lettre P. Non, c'est la lettre I. Bravo les champions. Je vois une autre lettre ici, c'est la lettre A. Je pense pas, hein. J'ai l'impression que c'est la lettre B. Non, c'est la lettre P. Waouh, bravo, vous avez bien appris votre leçon. J'ai une autre lettre ici, ça c'est la lettre O. Non, je pense pas. C'est la lettre F. Non, mais la lettre N. Bravo les champions. On répète encore, ça c'est la lettre N. Et nous avons ici la lettre P et la lettre I. Bravo les champions, vous avez bien appris la leçon. À la prochaine. Au revoir.
Au revoir. See you in our next class.
Au
Keep
revoir.
practicing at home. Bye.